Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make trading cards. Creating your own custom trading cards can be a fun and rewarding project, whether for a personal collection, a game, or a unique gift. We'll cover everything from initial concept to the final printed product. You'll learn about the key decisions to make, like card size and material, and how to prepare your designs for a professional finish. Get ready to bring your creative visions to life, one card at a time. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of design. Your card's visual appeal is paramount, so focus on creating captivating artwork and a clear, functional layout. Consider using design software such as Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator to achieve professional results. Remember to work with high-resolution images, ideally 300 dots per inch or higher, to ensure your printed cards look sharp and vibrant. A well-designed card truly stands out and captures attention. Once your designs are finalized, it's time to think about printing and materials. The right cardstock makes a huge difference. Options like 12-point or 16-point paper offer excellent durability and feel. For the best results, consider using a professional printing service, as they have specialized equipment for precise cuts and vibrant colors. You can also add finishes like UV coating or matte lamination to protect your cards and enhance their tactile quality, making them last much longer. Finally, let's talk about the finishing touches and how to share your amazing cards. Precise cutting is crucial. A good paper cutter or even a die-cut machine can ensure clean, uniform edges. Once cut, organize your cards into sets and consider attractive packaging, perhaps a custom box or sleeve. Whether you're sharing them with friends, selling them online, or using them in a game, presenting your cards beautifully adds immense value to your hard work. Enjoy your unique creations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.